take this blade off, give it a bit of a sharpen, and I'll use my impact for that. The 9/16 socket on it. Alright. Blade looks in pretty decent shape. It's been sharpened before, not very well, but I'll give it a bit of a sharpen. Before sharpen and balance the blade, guys, usually I try and get a lot of this crusty stuff off. All the caked on grass and such. Just using a wire brush. Get most of it off. There's some pretty good chunks on here. Probably use a scraper. Just get my scraper out. Try and get all the chunks, major chunks off, because that will affect the balance of the blade. And you'll get it sharpened up and think it's balanced, and it won't be balanced. So get as much of that stuff off as you can. I'll do it on the other side here in just a second as well, but this is something I'm looking at for sharpening the edge here. And you want to try and just keep the profile the same as what was on it. I'm going to flip this around and do it on the other side as well. And then I'll show you how to balance the blade. So here we are, guys. We're going to balance this lawnmower blade. First thing you're going to need as far as tools, you can pick up one of these guys. Just a little blade balancer. Definitely less than 10 bucks on Amazon. And basically this, what it does is just like a little teepee kind of thing, and it always kind of comes back to center because it's balancing on the end of this point. So you put your blade on there, and what you're looking for is that it's side to side, nice and level, nice and balanced. And as you can see, this one actually is pretty much right on as it sits. So I kind of got lucky on that one. If it wasn't, let's say this guy here was sitting down a little on the low side. What that would mean is obviously this side is a little bit heavier. So you would go back to your grinder and you take a little bit more material off of this side to get it so that it's nice and level.